is already written. Ngari Renata, a beauty, mental health, lifestyle vlogs right here on this page. Stay connected. This is a family we are together. We can. So this is how I started my day. I'm finished. Finished. So next week on, I know when I'm when pardon?
Now you have to buy more.
Yeah, a bottle of this. The rest I have. No, I could have finished medication only. The good thing of prepping for your medication is the fact that you're able to know how many doses you have and how many remaining and when you should buy a new one. So you set reminders on your phone or you set on your note when you should buy medication, and this kind of helps you plan and know when to have your supplements on check. The next thing is to put them in an organizer and to ensure that they are well organized for that week so that you can't forget, because for those who are here for the first time, I live with ADHD and I kind of forget to take my morning medication, to be precise, and I end up wondering why I'm feeling a certain type of way. So guys, I'm so happy for you guys being patient with me as I learn how to edit. The next thing is to put my medication in my bag just in case I forget to take them in the morning. I'll have them as I go to work. So I have these amazing products that I had bought at Naivas during the day. It was just something to clean up my body because I wanted something to exfoliate my skin, and let me tell you, it's of good quality. As you can see right here, I changed into my pajamas after showering with that exfoliating cleaner, and also I tied my head with a red band. So I decided to clean up and check up, and then the next day I was asking my man how to use a washer.
Add detergent dosage to the dispenser. Open the dispenser drawer. Opened.
Okay.
And then to add the detergent and softener into the appropriate compartments. You
So
see the washing
detergent,
machine?
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the soap.
Yes.
Softener and soap, but I also have these
Softener
ones.
is not soap.
Softener is for when the clothes are drying.
No. Softener is when you're washing.
Yeah. So I put soft the clothes.
Yes, you just take one of the sheets and put it in there in the dryer with your clothes.
And then there's this one.
And then you throw one of the sheets in there. What's that? Color rum remover. Okay. That goes into your washer.
Mm-hmm.
And if they don't have a compartment for it, then I don't know what you do with it.
I'm always worried of making mistakes.
Those are what they call learning lessons.
Learning lessons. So the first thing I'm gonna do is change my outfit from the office wear and then wear my pajamas.
So this is me with my pajamas in my room looking all in chaos, but it's not about to go like this. I was going to clean it and ensure that my space is really clean so that my brain can function okay. So It's not easy to live with mental health issues, but you can definitely do it. So the next part was for me to do my laundry for the first time in this washing machine, and my baby was watching me as I do it. And let me tell you guys, this was the worst and the hardest of them all. But
you are fine. So today is the day where I'm going to clean up using my washing machine for the first time. I'm gonna show you how I clustered the clothes in cluster, and this is amazing. This is amazing. So 2 minutes to go. So it's done. Let me tell you guys, since I washed or bought I need to go and sleep, but I love the fact that it's 45 minutes for the other one, and I still have others to wash, or I can wash them tomorrow.
as I waited for laundry, guys, I decided to eat something small, so I had to make some few Indomie. I never used to be the kind of woman who loves to cook, but definitely I met a man who enjoys cooking, and he started teaching me how to cook, and that kind of has changed my life. Hey guys, I'm trying to switch on this thing and it's not even working. But anyway, my Indomies are getting ready, and it's very easy to cook Indomies, and it's a quick meal when I'm feeling hungry. And guys, I'm usually paranoid. I'm usually afraid of gaining weight, but I have to eat. So
guys, I want to say thank you very much for the new subscribers, for the old subscribers. So this is what I want to transform. This is the current state, because I was trying to kind of learn how to use the machine, so my laundry area is messed up. So I want to arrange this place because it's very disorganized. My dustbin is misplaced. I don't want it there. I want to change those ones. This is my basket, my laundry basket, and these are the clothes on the floor that I'm cleaning as I make my Indomie, because I must eat as I clean. And definitely the Indomies are ready, and let me tell you, they are yummy. I don't know why I usually eat Indomies with ketchup and some Frank sauce. Organized my area where I love putting onions and some tomatoes and all this, but I have a lot of Carrefour bags and some China Square bags that I usually put right here. And just organizing the house to kind of get out of my head, because the moment your head is chaos, it's very hard to function. But in this world, you have to push yourself, because despite living with mental health issues, everyone is struggling at some point. I actually removed my wig because my wig was kind of I'm gonna start the day at 11:25. Mama, oh, in this economy, this is what 50,000 Kenya shillings gets you. So I had to clean up the fridge so that I can have room to put these stuffs in. And one of the major things I was thinking at this point is there's a time I prayed for this. So I was also cleaning the pantry area, because not everything goes into the refrigerator, which I don't know how to pronounce well. The next day I was getting my... These are all the shoes that I've been admiring to clean. Jumbo Jumbo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Wangari Nata. So today we did 1 month shopping. So I'm gonna unbox with you guys as we arrange the pantry area and put everything in the fridge. But before I continue, I would love to say that I love you guys. It has been long since I shot a video or since I created content. I'll share on my next video the reason as to why. So let's do this.
I'm passing you stuff.
Yes.
You can figure out how to stage it once it gets up there.
Yeah.
Please let me pass you the stuff.
Yeah, I'm removing
Because-
the phone. So these are going to the freezer, right?
Shrimp?
They
Don't meet
packed
together.
them so well.
They packed all the meat together.
Kaffa is a nice place to shop.
Look. Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken wings.
Yeah.
These are wings.
These are wings. So this is what we'll use to make
This is
buffalo.
beef.
Okay. Let me put them here. So that we have like so I'm gonna take them out and put the new ones in. So guys, let me show you how it looks like. That's how the table looks like. I don't know if my gimbal will turn. I'm still learning how to use this thing. Let's see guys. I'm still learning how to use it. So we're gonna put these breasts. I need to arrange them. And the next thing is wings. We have so many wings. It's right there. I think I should put them that way.
Yeah, that's good.
And then I don't know what these are. Thighs together. Yeah, the thighs. And there.
Drumsticks.
And then
Those were drumsticks.
they're called chopsticks. Chopsticks. And then we have
Right.
ground meat. Ground meat.